Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide calendar in Siri and Search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Calendar. Next, tap on Siri and Search. Now at the top here, you can tap on Learn from this app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. It says here, allow Siri to learn from how you use calendar to make suggestions across apps. So if you don't want Siri to learn about calendar, you can switch it off. Otherwise, you can switch it on. And down here, just below that is the search section. In here, you can choose to show or hide the calendar app in Search. So you can choose or hide the app in Search. And below that is you can choose to show or hide the calendar content in Search or not. So again, you can tap on the toggle button to activate or deactivate this function. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.